Television has been enjoyed in the homes of Australians since the 1950s, but the emergence of internet television is predicted to revolutionise our viewing habits. Fairfax Media is banking on this change and have made an early move to this world with the release of their news app for LG Smart TVs.
We are seeing growing behaviours around tablets and smartphones in the home, but really the king screen in the home is the TV set, where the family gathers around at home or on the weekends or whenever they want to use it. And obviously extending our brands and the news experience onto TV, we feel was a really logical step for us.
The app allows users to read news feeds, access pictures, video and weather reports from 4 Fairfax newspapers, all through a specialised remote.
The essence of the app is still very much around breaking news for us, which is really the strength that we have in the workspace and obviously in mobile, and extending that strength around breaking news. When people do want to look at breaking news, they are looking for a shorter, sharper style of journalism. They want to know what's happening, why it happened, and what's going to happen next, and really that's about it. And that's reflected in this app as well.
Fairfax Media's head of video, Ricky Sutton, believes the app will attract viewers to news in a way they haven't yet to experience.
Words and pictures on a TV screen hasn't been tried. So, we can make assumptions about the way people are going to behave, or we can build it and see how they do behave. I think that's what the analytics piece is about, and learning how they behave. We actually don't know yet. Who would have thought that, we'd all be following our breaking news sat on a computer in our offices every day on the internet? I think we just have to learn as we go along.
And the team are unfazed at the prospect of taking on the traditional TV channels and 24-hour news networks.
I think that we have a way of delivering news in shorter, snacking-sized styles that are not necessarily reflected by the news channels. And of course, at Fairfax, we deliver our own type of news.
Regardless of the outcome, the app ensures Fairfax has a foothold in this new arena from which they hope to build.
This battle for the home screen, if I could put it that way, it's still, very much undefined. The business models aren't clear, the emerging platforms aren't clear, the dominant players aren't clear. It's very much an emerging market for everybody right now, and I think our strategy is being in as many places as it makes sense with the partners who make sense. So, we're kind of hedging our bets a little bit. This will become a very important part of our strategy, but it's still very much in its evolutionary stage. So the user case and the behaviours around smart TVs in the home, we're still to see how that's going to unfold.
We just tried to think about what it is we do so well on other platforms and how we could translate that to a TV audience. It's very much an early go. It's a constantly evolving product, but it's our first go and we're very proud of it.